Hello, greetings. My name is Isaac Matsanga, and in this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can use the keyboard. All right, let's get started. Now, in this, I'll use what we call the on-screen keyboard, which looks like that. And when you go to your computer, you'll be able to see something like that. All right. So this keyboard is called a keyboard because it has keys on it, and it's normally called the alphanumerical, meaning it has the alphabets as well as the numbers, which are called the numerals. All right. So now here, I want to first of all begin by showing you the difference between these shift functions. For instance, caps. What does caps mean? Caps represent caps represent the capital letters. Okay, caps represent capital letters. Okay, sorry. This spelling of capital letters. Yeah. So the caps key, which is this, represents the capital letters. And I think you can as well see it from the keyboard here. When I click on it, the keyboard will show me the capital letters. Now, this one is showing me capital letters because it's the on-screen keyboard and it's a software. But your keyboard cannot show you that because it is a hardware. I'm using software, that's why I'm able to show you this. Okay, now let's get started. All right, so this is my keyboard. Maybe I want to write a sentence or a heading called my CV. All right, so I want it to be in capital, so I'll go to the capital tab, which is on the left of my keyboard. I click on it, it will show me that the caps lock is on, and then I now start my, okay, my, I want to put a space here, so I'll use the longest bar on the keyboard, which is this one. It helps to put space between two or three characters. Okay, so when I click on this, you realize that there is space created in between my and this breaking. So right about there, I want to write my CB. You can see. So this is how capitals work. To deactivate them or to put them off or to make them inactive, you click on caps again. All right, now I want to go to the next slide. Now that one makes me go to another key called the enter. It makes you go to another line or to create another paragraph. So when I hit enter, definitely my cursor will have to shift down here, ready to create another sentence. All right, now what is the difference between the caps and the shift? Now a shift can as well give the second function of this. The second function of this could be a capital. So if I click on shift, I'll get a capital W, capital E, like that. I can as well get the second function of this key. Now here for the second function, you can see is is a colon, full colon. And here is a greater than sign, and here is a less than sign. If I deactivate it, I'll only see the comma and the full stop. Okay, so let's use it and we see. Okay, so I want to begin my sentence with a capital letter. So I begin with M. The moment I click on M, it goes back to small letters because it was just one time. It's just one time activated. All right. So the rest I want to put them in small. Say my name. Okay, my name. You can see that, right? I want to put space. I say my name space is. Okay, I want a capital letter, so I put a shift. I seeing the use of a shift, capital I, then it goes back to small. Isaac, comma, space, capital M, Isaac, Maths. Okay, and I want to put a full stop there, so I'll just come and put a full stop there. Okay, I want to go to the next line. I click enter. All right, so I want to say that my website, so I want to begin with a capital sentence or capital letter. So I want to say my, comma, website. Okay, have you seen that? Website, comma, my website, space, is, space, I think base of this space bar, my website is, space, then I begin to put it, www dot, people are always looking for this, it's just here, dot Isaac Maths.com. all right, you see that? So after writing that, I can still hit on enter to go to another line. Okay, now that's how the keyboard works. And then now I want to show you another thing of, or another function of shift. Shift can also create a full colon, because without shift you can only get a semicolon. With the shift you can get these quotes, okay, and with the shift you can also get the greater than, less than, or greater than symbol. So shift gives you the second function of the key. All right, and shift gives me another one, at. Shift can give me, shift can give me exclamation mark, shift can give me hash, shift can give me percent. So I'm just showing you that with shift you can play around with the second function of that particular key. Okay, I can stop there for now. Oh, but before I stop, I also want to show you the difference between this button, which is called as backspace, and this button, which is called the delete. Okay, so have you made a mistake somewhere while you're typing? You can simply use the backspace to delete the character. Let's say I typed this wrongly, so I'm going to come, my cursor is here, I'm going to click on this or hit it on my keyboard. You see it's deleting to the left, okay, whereas delete erases the character to the right. So if my cursor is here, I can as well say delete. You see it's deleting to the right. Okay, so I want you to know the difference. With delete, it deletes the characters to the right, or it erases the characters to the right. So for instance, if I do that, you can see that it's going off, while backspace erases the characters to the left. So if I do backspace, you see what that is. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Let's catch up in the next tutorial. Thank you. God bless you and keep you.